I have a Husqvarna zero-turn mower that will not start. It does not make any sound. I replaced the solenoid and there is 12V going to the solenoid when the key is turned to start. I can jump the leads and the engine will turn over. There is no power going to the starter when the key is turned.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes, but it is not turning over at all.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I think that is it.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. You have a safety switch that is not completing the ground side of the starter circuit for start. Seat switch, brake switch, or PTO switch. On zero turn may be one of the arm switches for the neutral position stuck.
I have 12V going to the solenoid when the key is turned. I thought that indicated that the safety switches were good.
They may be, but the other side of the solenoid has to be grounded, and the safety switches complete the ground side.
Okay, got it. I have looked at the arm switch which are 4-pronged and seem to work. A pair of prongs shows connectivity when button is out and another pair show it when the button is pushed. The brake is a 5-prong. What do I need to do to test that one?
Same test, one will be common, other two will be NC or NO. And don't overlook the harness and plugs for continuity between the switches. I see question is still open. Did you find problem /?
The safety switches tested all good. I found the ground wire was melted, so I just got a new harness installed. The mower was trying to start, turning over slowly. I put a voltmeter on the starter and it was only 7 volts, but noticed the ground wire melting again. What could cause this? It has been 3 days and no response. I need further help on this question.
Check the Gerpin cable from battery to frame. The small wire is acting as ground, because the ground is not there.
The ground cable looks good and I checked it with a voltmeter. What else could this be?
What is battery voltage before trying to start? 7 volts is low for start and can be battery, or the starter is drawing too many amps. Does engine start? If engine is hard to turn, remove the spark plugs and see if engine spins easily.
The battery voltage is 12.43. The voltage at the starter is 8.3. I took out the spark plugs and the engine spins slowly and it will not start. The ground wire that is melting is from the electric clutch back to the solenoid.
Take a jumper cable and mirror the ground cable or use it as added ground. The ground wire that is getting hot is too small for ground, and because the regular ground is bad, it becomes the major ground. Has to be a ground issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.